So hello students, today we are going to learn about this topic curves. So if I just call this particular word curves, what comes in the mind? Whenever we call a curve, generally in our mind it should be like this. Means something which is not straight. In daily life we generally understand the definition of curve by this particular thing. By drawing a line which is not straight, right? So but in mathematics this is not the actual meaning of the curve. In mathematics the meaning of curve is whatever you are drawing. It does not mean with straight or any type of band. So the meaning is something should be drawn. Means suppose I am drawing something, we will say that it is a curve. Suppose I am drawing this line also, so we will say that this line is also a curve. And we have given a special name so that this confusion can be removed, because in daily life the meaning is totally different of the curve. So we say that it is a straight curve. So for a line we can use this particular word, but yes, you have to keep one thing in the mind. In mathematics, curve doesn't mean with a straight or any type of a bend. Curve means anything which we are drawing on a plane. Anything. It can be in any form. It is the biggest term of this particular part. If you see, the curve is divided in two parts. So you can see the first part. First part is what? Open curve. Whenever open curves comes, so I think it is very clear with the name. Open curve means the curve which is open. The curve which is open. You can see this one. This line is open. So how can you decide it is open or it is closed? So I want to tell you, this is, suppose I have started from here. This is called what? Initial point. And this is ending point. So if initial and ending point are meeting together, then we can say that yes, this is the initial point and this is the ending point are meeting together, then we can say that it is a closed curve. But if initial and ending points are not meeting, it means it confirms that it is an open curve. Now this is very clear. There are so many lines, so many curves, open curves we draw in daily life. Suppose you can say the alphabets also. Suppose I am drawing L. L is what? Open curve. So all the alphabets comes in the category of the curves, and you have to identify which is closed and which is open. Suppose closed, you can see 0 or O. Suppose P, I am starting here, P. So it is closed or something else. So for this one, because you can see if this is the starting point and we are coming back and we have crossed here from here. So for these type of curves we have a separate name, right? So I am telling you what are those curves. So before this one we will understand the meaning of closed. Meaning of closed means where the initial and ending points are meeting together in any way, in any form, right? So in any form means, suppose you can see this one, this is the P point, it is going like this and it is coming back. Suppose there is a meeting point, initial point, and it is coming back here, it is intersecting this line and coming back to the initial point. This is called what? Closed curves. But now what is the difference of this curve and this curve? What is the difference? Okay, before this one I can do one thing. I will categorize in two parts. It will be more better option for us. Curve is defined in two parts: simple curve and simple closed curve, you can say that, and not a simple closed curve. Right? Simple closed curve means, again there are two figures. in simple closed, it is polygon and not a polygon. Now you can see I have made a division of simple closed curve again. So first closed curve is divided into two parts, simple closed curve and not a simple closed curve. So now what is the difference between simple closed curve and not a simple closed curve? How can we differentiate these terms? I am giving you one example. Simple closed means suppose, okay, I am drawing one figure here, okay, this one, you see, right, and you can see A and B, these 2 points are meeting. Okay, one more figure I am making. So you can see now C and D point are meeting, but the problem is this curve is intersecting itself, right? When curves intersect itself, when curve intersect itself, it means they are not simple closed curve, right? Wherever you see, if any curve which is intersecting each other, intersecting itself at any point, so you can directly say that it will not be simple closed curve. Now if you see this curve, it is starting from here and like it is coming back, but it is not intersecting. It means it is called simple closed. Any other example you can take? Circle. Circle is a simple closed curve, and there are so many examples. Now I was talking about P. P is what? It is a simple closed curve, or this one. I think this one. Why? Because it is actually intersecting and going back, going to the in other direction. So it will not be closed properly. So it means it is a not a simple closed curve. Here it is getting closed, then it is moving forward. So it will not come in the category of simple closed curve. Now I am coming to the next point. Now we have categorized, because simple closed curve we cannot categorize. They are not simple closed curve. It means there are so many things. There are so many numbers, irregular figures, any irregular figures. But in simple closed we have two criteria. One is, we will see that there are some closed figures which are made up of line segments, right? And there are some figures which are what? Made up of line segment and along with some curve or some bended lines, right? Suppose I am taking polygon. What is a polygon here? Polygon we can define it like this. If a simple closed curve, suppose I am taking this one, circle. You can see there is no line, no straight line in this figure. Okay, suppose I am taking this one. Suppose I am taking this one. Suppose I am taking this one. See examples, right? So you can see if in this figure, this is made by a line which is not straight. You can say like this. This figure is made by two lines and one line which is not straight. So it means at least one line is coming which is not straight. But polygons are those simple closed curves, those closed curves where the figure is only made by straight lines. Are you getting my point? Means we will write here closed figures which are made of line segments. And this one, closed figures which are involving at least one non-straight line. Non-straight line means maybe there are, like in this case there are two lines are straight, only one line is not straight, but because of this one it will be in the category of polygon. So it is a what? Not a polygon. It will be not be a polygon. It is also not a polygon. It is a polygon, right? It is also a polygon because they all are made up of straight line segments, right? So I am repeating again from the beginning. First of all, we have understood about the curve. What do you mean by curve? Curve means anything which we are drawing. It can be straight or it can be without a straight form. Now we have divided this curve in two parts. One is the open curve, the second one is the closed curve. Open curve can be any type of a curve where initial and final points are not meeting. It can be in this form, it can be in this form, it can be straight line, or it can be like this. Oh, you can see here it is just very small gap is there. Because of this particular gap it is open. Now you can see the closed curve. Closed curve I have categorized in two parts: simple closed curve and not a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means the curve in which the starting point and ending point, in which starting point and ending point are meeting, right, without intersecting each other, without intersecting itself. Means I am writing here the curve, closed curve, which do not intersect itself. Means this curve do not intersect itself, and this one, this closed curve intersect itself, like this one. You can see in this figure, in this case there are so many figures. These all figures will come in the category of simple closed, but yes, we have made a division of simple closed curve also, that is polygon and not a polygon. If I am saying I want polygon, so I will see only those closed figures which are made up of line segments, and the figures which are not made up of line segments, at least one line is there which is not straight, then we can say that they will not come in the category of polygon, right? So this is all about the curve part, and please write all the information related to each term and make this mind map. It will help you a lot, right? And after this we will see the classification of polygons. How can we classify the polygons? And definitely it will help you to understand the other parts of polygon which are very important for the higher classes, right? So in next video we will see that classification of polygon. So we are closing this session here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.